Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve the Microsoft Store error code 0x80073D0D that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And it reads that something unexpected happened. Reporting this problem will help us understand it better. You can wait a bit and try again or restart your device. That may help. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing we're going to do is open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match will come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side underneath options, select other troubleshooters, and then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter and the run button. And then hopefully if you follow along the troubleshooting steps, it should be able to resolve the problem. Something else we can attempt here as well would be to open up the search menu and type in WS Reset. Best result should come back with WS Reset. Go ahead and open that up and give it a moment here. And then hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem as well. One further thing we can attempt, if we open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt, right click on it, and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this command prompt window, go ahead and type in SFC, then a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And there you go, guys. And once it's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to resolve your issues. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.